right now a more tilt towards managed office spaces, but I see because nobody right now is that comfortable as per the lead metric to go for a hot desk immediately because of the social distancing measures. However, I feel co-working spaces are putting their best efforts forward. The promoters are working towards it, giving them sanitization, giving thermal scanners. I think yes, in the next 3 months or 4 months from now, even the co-working typical that hot desk culture will also emerge.
Are there any substantial margins right now on which the industry is operating?
Not right now.
Industry has to be looked into from a long-term perspective. In any industry, any downturn, people kind of conserve, the margins kind of shrink. But in a long-term view, I think just wait about 6 to 8 months down the line, I think all co-working will thank this COVID period.
Margins might reduce.
We are having discussions with clients who are not even, coming forward and asking for abatements or discounts. They are rather sitting with the co-working players and developers and trying to restructure their leases so that they built in those flexibilities and secure future, flexibility norms and these deals. So I think it's more like a long-term than short-term.
So the cost for a co-working player has gone up. Our cleaning and maintenance expenses have gone up. We have taken into account this distancing thing. So, but this is a very temporary thing and a short-term thing. Things will stabilize in a span of say 3-4 months. So right now the focus is on building relationships and not on making money out of it. Right now we're just trying to sail through this whole thing and saving on costs.
From co-working spaces segment, what are the kind of demands that you are making or have made to the government?
So we made a request for those TDS refunds to be expedited, and the government has actually paid heed to it. I think for the most part, generally, that has been addressed. A lot of the TDS refunds have come back. Third, we did make some requests around pumping in more liquidity, whether through the MSP scheme or other schemes that have been existing or space. And again, some of these demands have been met.
So there's a good bandwidth that is adopting a work from home style in Chandigarh specifically, but on a different end, there are a lot of companies who are downsizing, who are also exploring the options of adopting a co-working space. So I think the time will tell how much hit it's going to cost us in tier 2 cities.
So now, like we see a lot of companies have sacked a lot of people, they are not going to sit at home. They would want to either join another company or want to start something of their own. So what option does a youngster have? He doesn't have too much money in his pocket. So the best option available is the co-working. That's what I feel.